Hey friends, my name is Venkatesh. I'm a chartered accountant student currently pursuing my third year of articleship, and this is CA Final Books unboxing video. Now my attempt is in May 2024, so from May 2024, new scheme is applicable. I had ordered the books around 10 to 12 days ago, and I got the books now today. So these are just first group. These are only one group books. The second group they haven't released yet. So here is CA Final first group books. Let's open it. So FR, so this is FR second module, and it is FR first module. This is second module. This is FR fourth module, and this is FR third module. So 4 modules in FR and 1 module of AFM, which is Advanced Financial Management, and this is so this is module 3 of audit. This is module 1 of audit, and this is module 2 of audit. This is 3 of audit. So we have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. We have 8 books for 300 marks, and these books were printed very recently, July 2023. So these are applicable for May 2024. So your books must look like these if you're writing your exams May 2024 onwards. So that's all for this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, because loads of articleship vlogs are in line. Keep supporting, and thank you.